How to get free stuff on Temu. Let's get started. Are you looking to score some free gifts on Temu? Well, you are in luck because we have got some tips and tricks to help you out. One easy way to get free gift on Temu is by using referral links. By sharing your unique referral link with your friends and family, you can earn rewards when they sign up and make their first purchase. It's a win-win for everyone. Another great way to snag some freebies is by scanning QR codes. Many brands and retailers on Temu offer special promotions and discounts through QR codes. Simply scan the code with your phone and unlock exclusive deals and free gift. You can join Temu's affiliate program. Temu's affiliate program gives you money each time someone signs up with your referral link. You may also make commissions of items bought using your referral code. Also, you can use the Temu's hat trick, likewise Fishland, Farmland, Refer and Earn features. So these are the ways to get free gifts on Temu. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.